Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a waterfall that I've made. So let's just get into it real quick. Coming outside, but let's try to be a little quiet because my mom's on a Zoom call. So get my shoes on. Now here, Mr. Pepper. Get my shoes on. Holy Jesus. Mom. I need to get my shoes on. Jeez. Woo. There we go. So, it's been 51 seconds. Oh, look at them strawberries. Look at them strawberries. Now, turn on the hose. Turn on the hose. That much. This is a waterfall that I'm thinking. As you can see, the hose is coming down to this cliff right here. And look! It's like a stream. Oh, jeez. It's like a stream. And then it goes down to the water part because it goes downhill. That way too. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's weird. Because the hose goes underground. And then the water comes out. I have no idea like where it goes. What the heck? Is it leaking? Ah, I see now. Let's stop that. Come on. Well, I guess we can't fix that. Dog's drinking from the leaking water, which is good. And I have found a wild anthill. Some wild ants. Whoa, this is going nutso. Oh, one of the ants is trying to like form a raft, and he got sucked right down. It's pretty amazing how nature works. It's like, oh no! Now you can actually see the hose. That's a bad thing. Let's get it underground a lot more. Oh, there we go. Now it's just straight up mud. Mud water. Wait, that's crazy. Where is there's gotta be an ant around here somewhere. Why is there like a floating thing? Come on, ants. Don't you want to get a drink of water? I don't see any, like right now. Let's turn off the hose because, like, yeah, you get it. I don't want to waste all my water because the ants can drink, but I also need a drink. Oh, jeez. Whoa.